So guys, once this message comes up, you're going to click on cancel, which will then take us into here. And then once we're here, you're going to click on troubleshoot, and then click on advanced options, and then click on command prompt. If you do not see command prompt, you're going to click on see more recovery options, and then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on command prompt, and now this will come up. Now you're going to type in net space start space VSS. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now you're going to type in BCD edit, and click on enter again. And now where it says device, you're going to look at the drive next to partition. So it's going to be saying device and then partition equals, and then it's going to be having a letter right here. So for me, that letter is going to be C colon. You're going to take note of this letter right here, C for me. For you, it might be something else. And now you're going to type in rstrui.exe space / offline colon, and then the drive letter that you took note of earlier. So for me, it's going to be C, and then colon again, / Windows equals active bracket, and then click on enter. And now this should come up. I don't have a system restore point on this, so I cannot proceed further, but in your case, you just want to click on next, and then just go through all of this until you get to the confirm disks to restore page. Now you want to click on the drive which says ready to restore. It's going to be very easy to see, it's very self-explanatory. You want to click on the option that will say ready to restore, and then click on next, and then go through with that, and then it will take you back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed. It should automatically take you back into Windows. If it does not, then you want to close out of command prompt, and then click on continue to Windows, and it will take you back to Windows. However, it should already do that automatically once you go through system restore, and then the problem should be fixed.